Welcome back, gentlemen, to the Bitcoin market update. Today is January 8th, 2019. Let's jump right into it. Bitcoin, BTC, USD on the 1 day for Coinbase is $8,000 even. Okay, well, let's take a look and see what happened here. Let me scoot up a little bit and bring in this. That's a little better. That's nice. Sexy voice. Just kidding. All right, so I believe we're working on a trajectory here. This was just kind of me goofing around earlier. I'm going to remove that. We're working our way up. We are getting some pullback right now, but everything is okay. There's nothing really to get nervous about. The market did a huge move, and now it's taken a pause, and you're looking at this candle that we got today. I'm looking for basically some sideways, maybe for a day or two, right? Just a little something to help. The sideways will help these 9-day moving averages and the 20-day moving average, and we're waiting for that, that parabolic SAR to move up along with that 50. Things are going to try to catch up and consolidate, and the way I see it is it's a consolidation before another move to the upside. So we're keep in mind we are in the Kumo cloud on the daily for Bitcoin, and crazy things happen here. But the way I look at it for today's candle is that yes, we did reach our high, but we did wick it down to a low, and now I think we're just going to trade sideways. It could be over today. I mean, it could be over, on this next candle, meaning tomorrow. But there's nothing about this market that has me freaked out. I think if you have been following me for a while, you'll know that sometimes I follow trends for the long. When it starts a trend, I give it a lot of room to wiggle around and pull back before moving higher. I don't like to get out, get in, get out, get in. I just want to ride it. Here's a buy right here on this candle, and then I want to sell it up here. I'm not in it for the little, in and out, in and out. I just don't play the market like that. I like long sweeping trends. And of course, if you are following me on this uptrend here, right? This uptrend barely had any, from the time we got in to where we got out. I mean, we barely got out at all. It was just one long sweeper, right? A good long trade, one good trade. And that's how I like to trade myself. If you're different, that's awesome. That's not to say that the way you're doing it is wrong. I'm not saying that. The way you're doing it is probably more lucrative, even possibly. We'll see. But I just the way I trade, this doesn't scare me, right? This does not scare me at all. When you see it roll over like this, right? Let's go back over here to this one here. So we had a big move up here that took 2 days to get way up. But then as it rolled over, see, that kind of candle scares me. That's where I'm like, no. The trend has changed now. It's over, right? That's when you got to make sure that you have everything out of this market at that point. But on the uptrend, it's welcome to come back down, test that 9, bounce around. You know what I mean? We'll see what happens. This was a pretty long consolidation, and I don't know that this one will be as long. It wasn't as big of an impulse move, so I'm looking for maybe just out to maybe the 14th of January, 13th, maybe the 12th, before we are done consolidating and we move to the upside. Because I think of this I'm saying upside because that is the trend. Until the trend changes, I'm not really going to change my mind. Okay, so now that air is clear, we're going to Bitcoin. Stay in it. Hey, look, we're up $9. Yahoo! LTC BTC. Let's check it out. Litecoin, still a sell. I'm not interested in this right now. Kind of another down day. Oh, it's just the rain. I can hear rain right now. It's crazy. It's really blowing. Litecoin, Bitcoin, stay out of it. Another down day today. We broke that Lucid SAR and are now getting some overhead resistance from that. Litecoin USD is still a stay-in-it situation. We did have a pretty rough day today on the pullback, but before the pullback happened, we got all the way up to Target 2. Target 2 was reached. So, man, I'm really excited about that. Target 2 was reached. Can we reach higher? That's the question. This is my least favorite target, right? Really, my favorite target would be up here at 56, but 48 was definitely a target and it was achieved. So we can probably scratch that off the board. But keep this in mind. When it reaches a target, if I got a target up there, it means that we could have a swift turnaround. Like that could be as high as it goes, possibly. So just keep that in mind. But LTC, USD, currently, I'm going to stay in it. I want to see where this baby goes. ETH, BTC, stay out of it. We did get a horrible wick down here for ETH, BTC. But this new candle that just came in is starting to give a little rally. But now we've got overhead resistance, and I just don't like it. How about ETH USD? Is at $140.93. I'd stay in it right now and see where this bad boy will take us. We could be getting out of it tomorrow. It's a possibility. But today we're doing okay. Definitely fine. We're getting some of that uplift right there by the Lucid SAR. How about Tezos, XTZ, BTC on the 1 day for Coinbase? We are still in a sell situation. Stay out of it. We are down here below the Kumo cloud. I don't like this at all. However, today's wick down tagged a turnaround point. It's possible that we could now run higher. So this right here was reached at the 618, and I'm anticipating a bounce. If you believe that Tezos, BTC, is a solid asset, then you have reached your buy zone right here, and meaning that it would hit that buy zone and start really turning around and bouncing. I'm not a fan of a buy here simply because I want to let the market lead the way first, show me the money before I get in. We're still way below that 9-day moving average, and it's not impressive to me. We are getting an uptick in volume, which is great, but it's simply not enough right now. Tezos USD is at $1.35, and wow, today's candle move looks really good to the upside. Okay, so the Tezos USD price, I am loving it. Okay, everything's kind of lining up here, and I really like that move. It's a buy for me. I'm going to lock that down and change this over to the USD to be a buy. Okay, it's been a while. I don't have it on my chart when the last time I had that as a buy, but it is now. Since the new candle came in, we're pushing a little bit, but I like these levels. Let's check it out. Yeah, levels are looking good. Bitcoin Cash BTC. How about this one? Wow, big bad day coming on down here. Rough. Yeah, I like it though. I like the way it came down here and wicked. I like this candle, and I want to put a buy in right there. Boom. Okay, so you should be able to make a little profit off of that. That'd be sweet. Okay, we're battling. We wicked down below, but we're holding the 9. It's really good, and that 200-day moving average downbound. It's like coming down here, and we're now above the Kumo cloud. I like this. This is really good. This brand new candle that just came in is pushing. Give it time. It'll probably come down and flatten out. I think a better buy would be somewhere around the 200-day moving average or the 9 for if you're wanting to get back into this asset. Okay. Let's see what we have here. Bitcoin Cash BTC. Still a buy. We're in it from back here. It's been pushing. And today we did reach our target too. Right here at 255. I love that. That's so great. Let's see if we can keep going. We are getting a little bit of diminishing volume, but hopefully we can keep battling to go higher. Ethereum Classic BTC. Oh, when I say Ethereum, Siri thinks I'm saying her name. So anyway, Ethereum Classic. Oh, wow, look at this. Boom, boom. Came down even lower today. We're getting some nasty chop in this market right now. It didn't finish higher, and so I'm not interested in this currently. Yeah, it did break. Let's take a look at indicators. Boy, oh boy. RSI is looking okay, but still not enough. I want to see how this candle closes right here. Yeah, and I don't like the way God mode is sitting either. We are getting overhead resistance, and I see it trading sideways. It could be trading sideways in a pretty big range, but ETH Classic BTC, stay out of it. ETH Classic USD is at $5.13. We got out of it yesterday, and boom, we popped back up today. All right, well, we're going to get back in it. This would have been nerve-wracking to see it come down here below the 9 today. I'm not going to lie. There was a lot of movement in the market today to the downside, and then a swift uptick to the upside, which is absolutely fine. But let's lock that down. But yeah, ETH Classic USD is still a buy. Okay, XRP BTC, still a stay out of it situation. Not interested in this. It's coming down here. No thanks. XRP USD is at 20 cents and is pulling back down, but not a sell yet. I do like how it popped up here. We're in around $22 at one, or 22 cents at one point, but we're pulling back down below. We're down to about 20 cents right now, but it's still a stay in it situation. I'm okay with that. EOS BTC, stay out of it. EOS USD, looking good, stay in it. Stellar Lumens BTC, stay out of it. Stellar Lumens USD, stay in it. Let's take this off of here. That's not a big deal. Hopefully you would have caught that on the 9 today on your wick down. That would have been a great entry point. You would already be in great profit on that. Stellar Lumens USD, stay in it. Rep BTC, stay out of it. Rep USD, $9.55, stay in it. 0x BTC, Okay, so did we not get in this? Did we just ignore this one completely? Oh, that's right. It needed to prove itself. You know what? Let's look at this, and I want to say we could buy this right now. Today. Is this today? Yeah, today's the 8th. Okay. I like this because today's the 8th. There you go. We just got a new candle and it's pulling back. I like this, but you should buy it on the 9 if you're going to get in it right here. Boom. Let's turn that into a blue for buy, if that makes sense. We're at 0.00002532. All right, that would be a good entry for this. So you get it on the 9. Never pay full price. The average price is roughly the 9, the 9-day moving average. 0x BTC. I can't believe we're saying this. Yeah, it's okay. Looking good. Okay. 0x BTC. Get in it. Oh. There you go. 0x USD. Stay in it. Looking good. ZEC BTC. Still a stay out of it situation. You don't want to be in this. ZEC USDC. Pulling back a little bit, but we're waiting on all the USD prices are waiting for a bounce. We're all looking for a bounce here. Hopefully it'll come, but we're not sure. Nobody knows. ZEC USDC, stay in it. Algo USD. We got out of Algo. It's below the 9. It's okay. Stay out of it. Link USD. Still working its way on an uptrend. I like it. Yeah, stay in it. BAT, Basic Attention Token. USDC. Okay, nasty day today. This is a big red candle. I don't like this at all. How are indicators? Indicators are sloppy, and we didn't get a newer high. We didn't get a higher high, and I believe we're gonna push for a low. So I'm gonna just get out of this right here. I don't like this red candle at all. We're just gonna stay out. A lot of chop here. There's like no money being made here. This is just a lot of chop. It's unfortunate. But, yeah, let's just get out. We're below the 9. I don't like this at all. Let's just stay out of it. BAT, basic intention, USDC, stay out of it. GNT, oh, boy. So this is the 8th. Yep, I want to make sure we got the right. All right, let's get out of this one, too. See how it closed below the 9? No bueno. And lock it down. Mana. Oh boy. I'm going to stay out of this for now until I see signs of life first. This is not very good right here. This is not good. I do anticipate we do have a little uptick volume since the new candle. It is possible that this will hold the 9, but it has to, stay open on that. But we're going to stay out of it for now. Loom USD. Loom is finished okay on today. It had a pretty hard wick down, but we're going to see what happens moving forward. But I'm going to say stay in it. Civic USDC, stay out of it. We've been out of it for a while. It was a quick get in, get out, and we're just standing back and seeing what this thing will do in the future. And Dent, DNT, USDC, stay out of it. Yeah, another hard day on this one, and we just don't want any part of that. That's it for today. Let's look at Bitcoin dominance. Still up pretty high. Today it wicked up even higher. We broke the old high. Bitcoin dominance still looks very positive in my opinion. Like we're going to continue moving to the upside. Total market cap is $206 billion currently and still trending to the upside. I do like this quite a bit. How about others dominance at 6.27%? And yeah, we had a lower low today on others dominance and does not look good. We're in that Kumo cloud. With this candle today, I would anticipate some sideways action for the next couple days, just some chop. Not really a direction, but more indecision. And finishing up back on Bitcoin USD, right around that 8,000 mark. Guys, stay in it. We'll see where it takes us. All right, that's it for today. God bless you guys. I'm out of here. We'll see you in the chat group. I'm out.